at the barns as per usual. Lots of goddamn traffic. Let's roll that intro. It's not a Taco Tuesday. It's definitely not a bike night. Oh, they got something going on here though. Oh, they got some fucking food going on. Oh, is something happening or something's over? Or must be something going on tonight. Oh, fancy fucking vet fiber. Cool. I guess I'm missing out something. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go inside here. Oh, what's in the box? Let's have a look, see what we got in here. Some cardboard. Ugh. Oh yeah, what's this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm waiting for one of these for a long time. We'll throw this over here. Oh, instructions. Better keep the instructions just in case. Pretty simple. Make sure there's nothing in the bottom of this box. Okay, good. Alright, how to install one of these fucking things. Oh, fuck yeah. Look at that, boys and girls. Fucking sissy bar. Push these things forward and up. Alright. Should be pretty simple. How to install a sissy bar. Get them in your mounting mounts. There we go. That one's in. That one's in. That one's all the way in. Bring her down. Bring her down. Lock it in. Okay, you're not locking in. Why are you not locking in? You got these little things here, I see. Okay. These little slippity things. What's this one here doing? Get it on there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Push it down. There we go. And that should be locked. There we go. Click. Click. Alright. How about that? It looks pretty damn good. I like it. Sets off the look of the bike now. Makes the bike look way better now. That looks. Now to go find a place to take a pic of it. Actually, I'm not going to go that way. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go down to the industrial area. See if I can't find a place to take a pic of the bike. So that's a simple install. I didn't do an install video on how to put the mounting hardware in because I did that over at my buddy's place. And I didn't know if he wanted me to be filming in his garage and shit. So I just didn't bother doing it there. I'm going to try and find a cool place down here to take a picture of the bike with the new sissy bar on it and see how it looks. So yeah, keep that way short and sweet. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Mash all over that like button if you like this. Stage dive on that subscribe button. And hopefully we don't get run over. And we will slay her another time. Cue the music.